Welcome! Today we're unlocking the secret to understanding the financial markets. The stock market often looks like a chaotic wall of green and red numbers. It feels intimidating and overwhelming. The whole world of finance, from stocks to crypto, often feels like a secret code you need a degree to understand. But what if you had a 24/7 expert who could translate the chaos into plain English? Introducing the Finance and Economics GPT. Before we dive in, let's quickly break down what the market is, really. Think of the stock market as a giant community garden. When you buy a stock, you're buying a single brick in that garden's wall. If the garden grows more fruit, your brick becomes more valuable. Crypto is similar, but it's more like digital gold, or a new type of internet currency. To win, you just need to know which investments are growing. Let's explore how to leverage this incredible tool to demystify your investments. To get started, navigate from the ChatGPT sidebar to Explore GPTs and search for Finance and Economics. This isn't a standard chatbot. It's been tuned with specific financial logic to help you trade and invest without the typical headaches. Here is your simple 3-step workflow to go from vanilla to informed in your financial decision-making. First, use it to kill the jargon. Ask it to explain complex terms using everyday, easy-to-understand analogies. Next, ask, which sectors are performing best this week? The GPT pulls real-time data to tell you where the money is moving, so you aren't guessing. Finally, use it to play devil's advocate. Ask for the risks and the pros and cons to get a balanced view and avoid the hype. Now let's look at the powerful, structured analysis you get in return. In seconds, you've gone from, "I don't know where to start," to having a structured comparison table for stocks or assets. You are no longer gambling. You are analyzing with high-quality instant insights. The Finance and Economics GPT is truly like having a co-pilot. It handles the math and the data mining. Remember, AI provides the map, but you are the one behind the wheel. Focus on the big picture, start small, and stay curious. Ready to analyze? Open ChatGPT and search for Finance and Economics today. Investing doesn't have to be a mystery when you have the right co-pilot. If you want my master prompt sheet to run this analysis yourself, check the description below. If this helped you see the market more clearly, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with a friend who's still guessing on their trades, and subscribe for more AI-powered wealth-building tips. Let's get those insights.